And now we are going to do some Bee Swarm Simulator thingy. Now, I'm going to see some images are the most funniest. This one is the club one. This is also a... Wait, what? There's not a new boss. There's just a beetle! Only boss in the game! Wait. Oh! Wait. What the hell is that? Is that a remake of me? Oh my... Wait. I think those are one of my users' bees or something. Wait. I think it says Terrible Earth thingy. And it says, oh, wait, how many A's and W's are that? I think it says, oh no, please don't see me. I think I can see better on one device, and it's on my phone somewhere. I will do to an. Oh, that's another thingy. GP. And that's a royal jelly icon. I don't know what. You should just pour some royal jelly on your bee. And it'll change into another one. If you don't get the one, that's okay. You can change your other bee if you don't want. And I just washed my baby bee for one reason. Thingy. There's a thing that tried to defeat me one before. Thingy. And that! Oh, sorry, I was APK for a while. That means I was not talking. I'm watching Vampirina right now. That's a thingy. I know what it is. It's a ladybug. Ah! Run. Oh, these are one of the things I really want to get on my other account. That's a parachute. That's another thingy. This is the thing I lost. Right here. And this is a king beetle. That is Science Bear. This is a scorpion. Wait, what happened? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ah! I think I went out of Google for some reason. My mom just went downstairs. Lol. Now I love babies. They make 100 honey. I wish there was a queen bee thingy. I really want this bee to be in the game. Oh, I really want it to be in the game. Please, please, please on it. Please, Please on it! I want a queen bee. And it be mythical, new mythical bees. And new event bees. Wait, is this mushroom field? Is that mushroom field? Oh. I don't want a zombie bee, please. Ah! Ah! Why isn't it? Ah! Ah! Oh no, I went. Wait, are these pixelated versions? OMG, I love these pixelated versions, thingies. Utter. I love these versions. Thank you, whoever made this. Whoever made this are so talented. OMG. Wait. Let's have a ticket bee in the game. Please. I want to get... That's a video. Ah. 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 Yeah. Wait, I got into the magnet PNG. What is a PNG? What is a PNG? Ah. Ah. Ooh. It looks like my fingers just went too far down. What is this? What is this? What is this thingy? That is not a bee swarm simulator. Ah! What is that? What the heck is that? That image is so weird. Oh, this is Annoying Orange. I watch him all the time. He's one of my favorite YouTubers on the whole city. Well, I don't live in the city. I'm in the bush right now. I don't want to see you around. Wait, what? You can cut the pumpkin? Ah, the tickets! I love tickets! They help you get royal jellies, which are in the little jelly machine. Well, I'm kind of a noob right now, but my friend Prison Master is a 100% pro at this game. But she still doesn't have Diamond Bee, which is one of her favorite bees right now, and she really wants one. Mine too. And I really don't want to be a hacker. OMG, a photon bee! I love photon bees. Is that a cool bee? I'm gonna drink some water. I happen to have some water. Now some good water. I love water. What is OP? What the heck is... What the heck is that? I'm leaving that now. Oh, it's been 9 minutes. I think I'll stop it at about 4 until this phone gets on 5 right now. Is this a noob? He says stubbies. Oh, that's the same. And the ladybug thingy. How many ladybugs are on this image? Oh, it's on 5 right now. So guys, I have to end the video right now. I think I'll make another one because I have a charger upstairs and my other phone is charging, but I can't make a video. That's a shame, but thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe me and I'll see you later. Bye.